Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this cutlery holder. So let's start.
We'll start by making chain 4, going to this 4th stitch and work 12 double crochets, 4, 5, First round is completed. Chain 3 to begin the round. Go into the same stitch, work 2 double crochets each stitch, Okay, so this is completed. We need to just cut the yarn. Okay, so it's completed. Now we will make ears for it. Start with slip knot, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go into the second stitch from the hook, work a slip stitch. In the next work a single crochet, then work 2 half doubles, then 1 half double, then 2 half doubles. This is the last stitch. Work 3 half doubles in the same stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Then here we need to work 2 half doubles in the same stitch, then work 1 half double in the same stitch. In the next work 2 half doubles, in the last work single crochet, then slip stitch into this slip stitch. Okay, so we'll attach these, cut the yarn, weave the ends. Okay, so I work these two and I will sew them like this. So the face is completed. Now we will make the same piece here, and now we will expand it for the body. We'll make 2 more rounds. Start by making chain 3, 1 double crochet, into the same stitch, 1 double crochet. Next, so we need to work 2 double crochets in a stitch, one into the next. I'll just finish this round and then I'll show you the next round. I'll just finish it and making a slip stitch here. Okay, so 3 rounds are completed. We'll make one more round. Start with chain 3, double crochet into the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So this is how I'll just finish this round again. Okay, so all the 4 rounds are completed. This was my hand. We will paste it here on this place, and these are there. We will sew them here. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I will make, this is, just do it in half. Okay, so I'll make some chains here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, chain 25 or more. I'll just strip off 5, chain 20, and join it here like this. This would be the head, and this is the head and the both ears. Okay, so I'm feeling it like my head is shorter, so maybe I'll make one more round here also. Okay, so I'll make a slip stitch here. Make chain 1, work 1 single crochet into every stitch here until we reached this way. Okay, so the row is completed. Make a slip stitch into this next stitch. Okay, make chain 3 and turn, skip 1 single crochet, make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet, work a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet, work a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet, work a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet, work a single crochet. So this is how we'll finish our row. This is how, and we will sew all these parts and it will be completed. Just finish it. I think I'll make one more round here, definitely.
Okay, so this is how it looks at the end. I hope you have liked it. You can add it in your table settings, so it will be very beautiful and a great idea. I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. For any queries you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.